In this video, I will show you a strategy for how to win the new Gardening Partners event in Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So in Monopoly Go, there is now a new event called Gardening Partners. Now at the time of recording, there is currently 4 days and 5 hours remaining, but what you basically need to do is complete the 4 gardens and you're going to win a grand prize of 5,000 dice, a sticker pack, the cat token, which is a gardening cat token, and this new emoji of a dog wearing sunglasses. So to go ahead and complete this event, what you need to do is go around the board and you need to go ahead and collect these little flower tokens. So what you want to do is just go ahead and roll your dice and you want to land on these flower tokens, and what you can do is use these flower tokens to spin the wheel for the event. Now there's a couple of other ways to obtain the flowers, for example by completing your daily wins. Sometimes it's going to offer you some flowers as a reward, as well as completing the current in-game events and reaching milestones, in which case you would receive prizes, with some of those prizes also containing the flower tokens. So once you've obtained some tokens, what you can do is come into the event by pressing onto the icon here, and this is going to take you across to the event. Now what you need to do is basically spin the wheel, so you want to partner up with 4 of your friends, and basically what you want to do is keep spinning the wheel to build up this progress bar on the left hand side. So for each individual partner you're going to win milestone prizes, for example dice and money, and as you can see there is a multiplier, so what you can do is increase the multiplier to potentially obtain more points and complete your progress bar further. So once you've gone ahead and obtained the top prize for all 4 partners, you will be awarded with the grand prize. Now you want to make sure you do this within the time limit given. As I mentioned at the time of recording, this is currently 4 days and 5 hours. But that is basically how to go ahead and play the Gardening Partners event and win the grand prize. So I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.